Hello there, everybody. This is Braxton Hart here, and welcome back to my channel once again with another Disney Pixar Cars unboxing review. And tonight it's going to be making Shifter and Masha EllsWrench. I have these two for like a while now, and yet haven't opened yet. And of course, we all know for sure that like Masha EllsWrench is a new release, though, as you can see right here. Now, fun fact, though, the Fiberfield crew chief, she was originally going to be released like back in 2018 or 2019, along with the Tacomet crew chief and the Transparent Juice crew chief, I believe. But unfortunately, these three were canceled for unknown reasons. Until finally in 2024, Mattel finally released the Tacomet crew chief, but his name is Mandy Fromspender. Sorry, I mispronounced that. Yeah, I do not have him yet, but I'll just look for him soon. It's just that he's actually really hard to find. And for the Fiberfield crew chief, Masha EllsWrench, he was finally founded this year. Yeah, now we're just still waiting for the Transparent Juice crew chief, I believe. Maybe he'll be like released next year. Who knows? Next year in 2026 during the 25th anniversary of Cars. So yeah, who knows? And yeah, so anyways, without any further ado, let's just get started, shall we? Here's the back. You can also get Mayor Cactus Lady McQueen and Sage Rancher Spin and Darren Ledflight. On. Alright, so here are these two out of the package. I'm just gonna check out Megan Shifter first. As you can see, she's the Fiberfield crew chief. I mean, Pity. Yeah, she's the Fiberfield Pity, though. I know I already have her before, back in 2019. But, yep, looks like I got another one, that's for sure. It's got the Fiberfield logos on the sides and also on top of the tower here. And of course, she's the crew chief of, darn it, why do I get mixed up? Darn it. But anyways, of course, she's the Pity of Brush Kerber right here. So, and of course, we got these little like tires that comes with right here. And of course, that's this like little like hole in it right there, so you can just attach it to the Pity's forklift right here. Or you can do it like that. So something like that. I mean, it sounds actually pretty cool though. Alright, let me just touch it. There we go. And here is Masha EllsWrench. And look at that, she looks actually really cool though. Can't believe she was actually finally released. So after like 7 or 6 years of getting canceled for unknown reasons, she's finally released. And of course, she is the crew chief for Brush Kerber right here. Because you see, like they're all Team Fiberfield right here, which is actually really cool though. It's got her little headset right here. Yeah, Fiberfield logo on his hood. On her hood. It's got some nice like white rims. And you can see the Fiber Fuel logo on both sides. A bit of like, not this way, but it's on the other side because it's got to do the headset in the way though. But yeah. But overall, this is actually a really cool release though. I really hope that Mattel can release the Fiber Fuel hauler. Yes, the Fiber Fuel hauler. I really hope they would release that though. And I really hope that they should release the Fiber Fuel crew chief since we got the race car itself, Brush Kerber, and the Pity Megan Shifter, and the Pity Megan Shifter and the crew chief Masha EllsWrench are here. So yep. So I believe that's about it. And if you do enjoy this video, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit the notification bell as well. In the meantime, I'll see you all next video. And this is Person Heart signing off.